Morning guys, we're doing a road trip down to London today, me and Mr. Mitchell. He's got his new whip, it's looking extra fresh. It's been a long time coming, but his old Fez bomb decided to break down in the end.
Fiesta's in the video now.
It's got a proper car now. We're heading down to London today. We've got nothing planned in particular apart from going to Victoria Park, which is a famous skate park where loads of famous BMX videos and edits are shot. We've got the bikes in the back, but we've got no pads with us. This is going to be a bit like a vlog, but we're also going to do supercar spotting as well, I think, which will be pretty fun. We'll check back in with you when we're down there. Forgot to mention as well, 1,000 subscribers, Sam Jones is going to do the 720 drop-in for everyone on YouTube.
And he's scared.
He's fully shook about it.
He says he's not, but I reckon he is. He was moaning last night saying he needs to get his elbow sorted first.
Had this dodgy elbow for since the Redditch jam really, yeah.
Yeah.
If you watch on the Redditch jam, he hits his elbow pretty hard on the spine doing a 5 fakie. What is it, a 7? No, it's a 7.
Yeah.
It's actually 7, yeah. But he's still moaning about it to this day, and he's going to do it. And if you don't already, hit that subscribe button below. We need to get to 1,000 subs. 720 drop-in is no joke. That's a mad trick. You do realise just chasing that R8's cost us another 15 miles. We were chasing after the R8 and we got that distracted that we missed the turning. We've been driving nearly 2.5 hours now and we're still not at Victoria Skatepark, but we are currently, let me just check, 23 minutes away. We've already discovered you're not cut out for London driving life.
Nah, I'm in a bush line now, Rob.
We're actually lost.
Hold on.
Come to the postcode and we've got to the park. The park's huge. Right, finally here. After about 3 hours of driving and we missed about 20 turnings. We're finally here. Victoria Park is huge. We've been told it's down here, we've just pulled up. We're going to get the bikes out and see if we can find the skate park now. It's getting dark already, it's about 3:30, so we're going to film a quick session on the skate park and then I think head into London and see if we can find any supercars for you. So, bikes are all at the car now. The sun is starting to go down. Ready to go and ride? Let's go and see if we can find it. You reckon to the park though?
Sick. No pads though.
We should have brought our pads.
Tracked out, man.
As I've just learned. Look at this, man. My ripped skinnies are now even more ripped. I've even put a hole in my gloves.
Nice fist gloves that.
Yeah, nice, yeah. Should get a line in the go. Yeah. Yeah.
Don't know how I landed up there.
Tell everyone what you've got to do with your bolt.
Look at that snow. It's first day. I've had a bolt for about nearly 2 weeks.
Just another day in the life. You going?
Yeah, man.
See you soon. See you later.
Yeah, man.
Look after yourself.
Yeah, man. And you.
See you later, bro. See you in a bit.
The locals.
I'll drop in.
Yeah.
Whip tap.
Yeah.
Flare. Bar disaster. No way, that bar disaster's happening. Look at that. I'm feeling it at the minute and it's so cold. I kid you not, it's near freezing and the sun's going down and we've still got to get some supercars.
We've got all night for that, man.
Hey, I'll try and go down into the bar, I'll try and blast around you as fast as I can, yeah?
No, lad. Stand in there so I can show them how we goes.
In the sphere?
Yeah, let's do the sphere and then the ball. Oh yeah.
This thing's pretty big, man.
This is like the best loop the loop in the country, like better than any skate park that's got one. Like, you've probably seen the one at Unit 360, but this is 100 times better.
The only problem is that massive pile of leaves in the middle. Should I try and go around it?
Let's see. Come on then. Whoa.
Those leaves scare me. I wish I could tell everyone how cold it was now. Like,
It's freezing.
so cold. I literally dropped in, went straight onto my face first go. Ripped my brand new Poundland gloves, which I'm not happy about. And I've trashed my new jeans as well. Got dirty little cut in there. And these ones, they were Rip Skinnies from Top Man. They're now Ultra Rip Skinnies from Top Man.
Sarah will lick that clean for you later anyway.
Sarah's going to kill me, that's why. What should we do?
Anything? Check these out, I cannot do anything.
Should we do a little line?
Come down.
I'll do bar air,
Yeah,
tap,
yeah,
foot jam,
yeah.
whip air.
Alright, and that's it. See it? Oh!
Do you know why that is?
Quick, answer the phone.
Someone's trying to ring me. Look at this, look who's trying to call me.
Ah,
Sam the little peanut head.
Sam is trying to ring. Oh. Roll. Sorry, mate.
Alright.
You just nearly killed him, man.
The skateboarders around here do not care. I feel like we're in their territory. Alright, let's do that again.
Yo. Bap, 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 bap.
We should have brought riding shoes as well, really.
Yeah. These. I'm very practical, aren't I?
We didn't even come to ride today. We literally came down to London just to come and see some nice cars and show you guys, but we saw this skate park and we just couldn't resist.
I am gonna do downside one and one footer over here. Steez. Then I'm gonna go around and come back and do a table there. This is like the worst riding clips I've ever got.
Got an idea?
What is it?
There's a little mini quarter there. Because we need to go into London and get some cars, I reckon we should end the skate park clip on a mini flare on the quarter.
Come on then. Rather you, not me. Sketchy as hell.
That quarter is sketchy as hell, just get on the
Look,
coping
look
there.
at the coping, yeah, it's a curb. That's a road curb.
We're gonna do a mini flare on here, then the video's gonna go bang straight into London city centre. You ready? Oi, look who we found! We found him! We found the grey-haired peanut! Oi, he was gassing thinking we were lying and not really here. I told you he was here.
Okay.
So we made it into London, we found somewhere to park and it's rammed, man. We're going to have a ride round for a bit, which we're not going to be able to film because we haven't got the GoPro on us. We're going to show you some nice cars as long as we can get enough light, so we'll tune in a bit.
Car's probably gonna get
Hey,
compounded.
he's got about 48 congestion charges on the way here.
I've driven through about 10 congestion zones.
I've never seen him raging so much in all my life. Yeah then, dare of the night, hot 360 past the saxophone player.
Better run someone over now.
Go. Some welcome and grab some of these.
Dawdy Keka, Princess Angel.
Woo, Dawdy. Here we go.
What is it? C63 IMG. Managed to find the McLaren garage with that P1 over the back to the wing.
One there as well.
Sure, alright to come in?
Yeah, this is our viewing gallery, so you can come and take some photos.
What?
Much better in here, it's warmer as well. It's very snowy, so
If you want to see a nice car, 1.7 million P1. Current scenes, cruising around London looking for supercars and it is cold. McLaren garage were kind enough to let us in, which is pretty sick. G-Wagon 918. It's a beast. How gassy are you right now? That is so nice.
Just show some next mad colour AMG next to this Aston.
Mad chrome Aston. and it's like a matte grey C63 AMG. And look what we've just spotted down the bottom end.
Lord thought this was a Rari.
It's a Lotus.
It's a Lotus. But don't be fooled, there is a Rari up here.
Jeez, that is loud.
Jeez.
You could have any car right now to do that.
Any car?
Any car to be that. Probably in
Really?
that colour as well. What's it running?
A63. This is so rare.
Jeez. After some hard spotting, it's time for some Mackies. It is so warm in here compared to outside. It's time for some food, man. We've worked hard today, yeah.
No pickles.
What was that
Yeah, please.
So, do you want the cheeseburger? Yeah, cheeseburgers have pickles. Is that okay?
Yeah, can I have 2 cheeseburgers and 2 double cheeseburgers with no pickles, please?
So only the 2 double cheeseburgers.
Yeah, yeah, they're not all for me.
Okay. Alright, I've got it. Don't worry.
A mega long day today. We've rid a skate park, we've come down to London, we've found some supercars here, and we're shattered. We're going to eat McDonald's now and leave the video there because we've all got bikes, so we're going to go and tear around London for a bit. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button below and also subscribe. It's not something that we normally do, supercar spotting, but it's London, so we've got to go and do it. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button below. I'll see you next time.
Oh!
Do you know why that is?
Quick, answer the phone.
Someone's trying to ring me. Look at this, look who's trying to call me.
Ah,
Sam the little peanut head.
Sam is trying to...